What's up, guys? Kevin DeBruin, the Fit Rocket Scientist, here today. So we are going to talk about something crazy. I am going to blow your minds here. All right, you ready for this? Jupiter does not orbit the sun. What? How is this possible? We have been lied to our whole lives. Well, what we know is that planets orbit stars, right? Yes, but it's not that simple. So planets and stars, they do revolve around each other, but they revolve around a central point called the Barycenter. So the Barycenter is the center of mass between two objects. So Jupiter is the fifth planet away from our sun. It is 318 times more massive than Earth. All right, if you summed up all of the other planets' mass in our solar system, Jupiter is still more than 2.5 times that value. It is huge, and I mean huge. You know, but it's nothing compared to the sun, because the sun's gigantic. But let's get back to what is going on here. So it orbits the central point, center of mass, between the sun and Jupiter at a point called the Barycenter. So I've got Jupiter, got the sun, now we need a Barycenter. Got to show you what we're orbiting around. So this amazing, delicious donut with a Barycenter is going to be our Barycenter. All right, so what happens is planets orbit around this and the sun. So it is actually 1.07 solar radii away from the center of the sun. So if we go right in the center of the sun, all the way in the center, 1.07 radii away from that center is where Jupiter-Sun Barycenter is. So it's about 7% off the surface of the sun. So the sun revolves around this point too. So the sun is going around like this, around this Barycenter point. So it's causing the sun to wobble, kind of back and forth. It's going around, so it's wobbling. And Jupiter does the same thing. Jupiter goes around this point as the sun goes around this point. So this goes around, and then Jupiter comes around. I'm not going to be able to do this. Whoa, we're throwing stuff around. See, it's a complicated system. It's not as simple as we thought it was, or as you perceive it to be. But what this does is this actually helps us determine planets around other stars in the night sky. So as I said, this orbits the Barycenter, and it causes the sun to wobble. So we see a sun go like this, or a star go like this, or it comes like towards us and back, kind of depending on what angle we're viewing this star from. We can determine that it actually has a large planet around it as well, which causes the star to wobble a little bit. It's one of the ways that we're able to find exoplanets, so planets that are around other stars that aren't our sun. It's a fascinating concept. So it's not as simple as we thought it was. Planets do revolve around the star, but they revolve around a certain point called the Barycenter, which is the center of mass between two objects. So that is your crazy space facts for today. Thanks you guys for tuning in. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please do that. Click the button below. Like, comment, share it with your friends. Tell everybody that Jupiter doesn't revolve around the sun. It revolves around a Barycenter. It's finally over, man.